Illume late 2010, but it started as a one-product line. And then it developed into now 5 products, and we thought, I think this would be the right time to introduce it to a formal launch.
Yes. For a lot of you here, I'm sure you don't know this about Chari, but by the way, her name's Chari, not Shuri. She's actually a farmer and a jeweler. You said to me you're a farmer, so. And she travels extensively with her husband Bob around the world, trying to get top of the line products that makes obviously Filipino men and women more beautiful. But obviously you won't see her products off the counter or in any retail stores in the Philippines because they only concentrate on dermaceuticals and derma practitioners to distribute their products. But how did you find Illume and when did you find out about Illume?
Well, that was late 2010, and actually I just read about the ingredients and then I realized this is different. Phytofluin, I don't think they heard about this in the Philippines, so I said, I've always been passionate about always introducing something new, something innovative, something cutting edge. I said, I gotta introduce this.
But the main active ingredient is?
Phytolin and phytofluin, which are the colorless carotenoids, and they are present in all the 5 products in the range.
So, but the active product comes from very fancy ingredients, right? As you were explaining.
It's actually white tomatoes.
Yes, but why white tomatoes? And by the way, the white tomatoes are only grown in the Mediterranean Ocean.
Yes, and non-genetically modified white tomatoes. And just like when you think of tomatoes, you think it's red. So of course that's lycopene. These are tomatoes without the lycopene, without the beta-carotene, but with the colorless carotenoids. So, yeah.
But how did Jose come about with this product and why did she decide to create a line?
Actually, it's from a patented ingredient, actually developed by an Israeli company. And the name of the patented ingredient is phytofloral. And that phytofloral is present in the supplement. And but the others have also the colorless carotenoids, the other topical products.
Did you hear that, Hector? There's supplements.
So the
Hector
supplement,
Reyes likes supplements.
and the supplement is made in the UK, but the topicals are made in Japan.
Well, maybe to help us explain the products further, I'd like to call on the in-house doctor of jeunesse, Dr. Lazaro. Here, this is your mic. Hi, Dr. Lazaro.
Hello.
I was asking Dr. Lazaro, because she was telling, I'm quite nervous how to explain the products. I was like, go as technical as you can, lightly, so that because all these beauty experts know them about the product anyway. So tell us about Illume and its fantastic ingredients and how it can help out men and women.
Okay, so Illume is a supplement. At the same time, they have a topical. They came out with a topical, so you can treat the person from head to toe, from inside out. So you treat it from applying at the same time at the cellular level of by taking the supplement.
Wow, did you take note of that, Angela Alarcon? Anyway, how quickly can you see results after the first time you put on the product or you take the supplements?
So if you take the oral and put the topical at the same time, around 28 days.
28 days. I was asking Chari this a while ago and I said it's like choosing between your 2 daughters. What's your favorite product in the line?
Personally, I mentioned to Ferdy I like the wash. And if you try the wash yourselves later, just a little drop, and then you'll think that, oh, it's so thick, but then once you wash it off, it's non-oil, non-drying, but just a little bit. You might put a big amount.
Yes, you mentioned a while ago that all the products have phytoflorals, right?
Yeah, actually, all of the products have the colorless carotenoids.
Yes. What are phytoflorals, Dr.
It is the phytofluin and phytolin It's colorless carotenoid. It is patented by Illum, and it's instead of what makes the tomato plump and to maintain the color of the tomato, it uses because of the carotenoid. So they just remove the color, and then the one that maintains it's the antioxidant effect, and what protects it from the sun is the phytoin and phytofood.
Don't worry.